Hey everyone, so we got something delivered and I'm excited to share it with you guys. We got the BluTech AR3 delivered. This is kind of their slimline version here. You can see the small canisters. Keep unpacking the box here. We got a 5-foot stainless steel hose with quick connects. Next box. 25-foot stainless steel hose with disconnects. Comes with a cool carrying bag here, which you can leave it in it and it unzips right here and here. That way you can hook everything up without removing it from the bag. You get a filter wrench, which you put it right here to undo the filters. And this is a hose shark. And so I was very intrigued by this because instead of when you go to put your water in and you're screwing the hose over and over and over, you put this guy on and you turn him a quarter turn and that's all you got to do. So there's no more screwing it at the water faucet. It also has a quick connect, and so everything is basically all quick connects. So previously, for about the past 2.5 years, we've been using the Clear Source and been pretty happy with it. It's built like a tank. Obviously, it is quite a bit larger and it also is heavier. But yeah, we are kind of excited just to have something that's a smaller footprint. It's a little bit easier to pack away. We don't have a truck topper or anything like that, and we seem to take about 1 million things with us every time we go someplace. For the next few months, we're going to be comparing the BluTech to the Clear Source. They're both NSF, and I'll put some more information about that probably on the video and in the description. And so yeah, just stay tuned, and thank you guys for watching.